Stop the presses. If you think you know ChatGPT, you are living in the Stone Age. You're not using a tool. You're sitting on a digital supernova. It's time to stop asking basic questions and become an AI architect. The difference between a beginner and a master, it's not a gap, it's a chasm. I'm talking about features so powerful they should come with a hazard warning. We're unleashing your chief of staff, your data scientist, and your creative director, all in one window. In the next 5 minutes, you unlock total domination. First up, AI that sees. Forget text-only inputs. ChatGPT grew a visual cortex. You find a mysterious, disgusting goo in your attic. Instead of panicking, you snap a photo, upload it, and command, "What is this horror, and how do I neutralize it without calling the hazmat team?" Next, your data nightmare is over. You're not reading data anymore. You're harvesting intelligence. You upload a 500-page, soul-crushingly boring market research PDF, and you ask it, extract the single, most profitable, untapped demographic for our product and craft a pitch slogan that guarantees a 500% ROI. Ready to stop mixing signals? Use projects! This is the war room for your genius ideas. You're launching a billion-dollar unicorn startup. Create a project, dump every single file, your competitor matrix, your secret sauce recipes, your CEO's frantic voice memos, and the AI maintains military-grade focus. It's an isolated brain dedicated only to your success. Unleash the gods of creation. Why beg for stock photos when you can mint your own reality? Type, generate a hyper-realistic 16K image of a cybernetic Viking riding a kraken across a plasma sea. Then you command, make the Viking's beard 30% fluffier and give the kraken laser eyes. You are the director, the AI is your digital Hollywood studio. Now for the instant expertise cheat code, stop asking generic questions. Assign a role. You've been served a legal notice, don't sweat it. Upload the document and command, assume the role of a ruthless, pitbull aggressive contracts lawyer and identify any loophole I can use to escape this nightmare. The advice you get is not free, it's priceless. Finally, the voice of power. The app is your command center. You're driving, you're walking, you're conquering. Tap the mic and talk to your Jarvis. Hey AI, find me the 3 most aggressive stocks to buy right now, plot a 90-day trajectory, and text my broker that I'm all in. No friction, just pure execution. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a cognitive leap. Stop being a passenger. Become the AI architect. These features are running right now, waiting for you to unleash them. Don't wait. Go build your empire.